Just look at this. What's the
We
range
have
of your prices?
product ranging from 2,000 to till 60, 70,000 ranges.
Okay.
So it's based on age group, what age group they are looking for.
So the top 20 photographs that were voted, we made notebooks for them.
Notebooks of
So
them.
with giving credit to either the parent or the child.
The aim is that they will be able to do big mental calculations. For example, multiplying 4-digit numbers together. So that's what Abacus is for, that they will become kind of human calculators.
This is 3-month block table,
Okay.
sand table,
Okay.
and when we tilt it, normal table.
Acha, the normal table is also there.
3-month.
हाय गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू आवर यूट्यूब चैनल। आज हम आए हैं डाइटैक इंडिया एक्सपो में, जो लगा हुआ है सितंबर 18 से 20 तक यशोभूमि सेक्टर 25 द्वारका में। द टाइमिंग्स आर 10 AM to 6 PM एंड दिस एक्सपो विल बी ऑल अबाउट एजुकेशन सेक्टर एंड स्किल सेक्टर। सो जो स्कूल्स इंडस्ट्री से रिलेटेड है, स्कूल्स एंड K-12 मॉन्टेसरी स्कूलिंग एंड स्किल सेक्टर्स, कॉलेज, स्टेम ट्रेनिंग, कोचिंग सेंटर्स, इन सब में जो भी रिलेटेड हो आप इस एक्सपो में आके बहुत कुछ कर सकते हो, बिकॉज देयर विल बी ऑल B2B वेंडर्स, एग्जिबिटर्स हेयर, जो अपने प्रोडक्ट्स, अपनी सर्विसेज को शोकेस कर रहे हैं। सो अंदर चलते हैं, हम इनसे बहुत कुछ लर्न करेंगे एंड वील शेयर द डिटेल्स विद यू, ताकि आप भी इनसे कुछ सीखें। एंड if you wish to expand, if you wish to grow, or if you wish to start your own business, you can also visit this expo. So चलिए अंदर शुरू करते हैं और आपको भी दिखाते हैं। तो हम अंदर आ गए हैं और मेरे पीछे काफ़ी सारे स्टॉल्स लगे हुए हैं। अंदर चलते हैं, उनसे पूछते हैं कि क्या क्या सर्विसेज और एजुकेशन और स्किल सेक्टर में प्रोवाइड करते हैं वो। सो लेट्स गो एंड लर्न मोर। सो अभी हम आए हैं यूडू रोबोटिक्स पे, और दिस इज अ फर्म that leads and deals in humanoids, robotics, STEM education of kids, और इनके पास काफ़ी सारे प्रोडक्ट्स हैं that deals in science, and it's a Bangalore based company, मैन्युफैक्चर वहाँ पे करती है, and they have a B2B setup, लेकिन आप इनकी वेबसाइट से B2C लेके किट्स भी परचेज कर सकते हैं। Let's learn more about them. So we are standing here with Miss Aishwarya, and she'll explain us more about the UD Robotics. Okay, so what is UD Robotics?
So we are a Bangalore-based company where we design and manufacture the STEM and robotic-based products.
Okay.
Yeah, it's a 15 years old company where we were into the services, and now we are into the product development. We have products which is structured for the K-12 students.
Okay.
So we have from the basic electronics to till advanced level animatronics kits, where we teach them from the foundation, where electronics is important for them, mechanics is important for them, then coding.
Right.
So then we introduce them to the integration of all these three things, right?
Okay.
Then yes, we have a bigger remotes, as you can see here. We have a animatronics kits, like we called it as a Zing, and we have a spider robot. You can see there. So it is called as a Crawly.
Okay.
And where we teach them the industrial level automations, where when the human resource is getting replaced by the robots and all, right? Because
right.
the tougher jobs are becoming easier nowadays. So we teach them where the bridge. We basically provide the skilling for the students, where after theory, like what is important for the skills they should have to get into the industries. Yes,
Right.
we bridge that gap between that.
Right. So you begin from which class?
We have products from 5+ years to till 23 age
Okay,
group.
okay.
Yeah, so that is from KG to till UG. Yeah, we
All
have.
right. So how about why have you put up this stall here?
See, we basically develop these products. So we are looking for B2B partnership. So who are interested in distribution or reselling.
Okay.
Or using for their own, training institutes
Achha,
or
so,
something.
okay.
Yes, we collaborate with them. And
So
we
this is completely a B2B or a B2C also. If
See,
any mother would want to buy
yes,
it.
if anyone wants to buy, yes, they can contact our website. Number
Okay.
will be there. we are not there anywhere online, so they can contact our number which is there in the website. As we work in B2B, so we are not anywhere in Amazon or on our own
So if
platform.
any
we don't.
mother wants to buy the kit, they can connect with you
Yes.
by
They're-
your number, through your number on the
Yes,
website.
yes, they can actually go to our website, udorobotics.com. Their number will be there, WhatsApp. They can put their inquiry, we'll connect with them.
All right. And who are your B2B clients? Your schools?
See, it's not only schools. We are looking for someone who are into the educational streams or whoever is connected with the institutions or colleges, schools or something. Yes, we provide
Tuitions
products to
also
them.
maybe?
Tuitions also, yes. Yeah.
Nice.
So even it will be more beneficial for the women who are in the home who have done the tech, courses and all.
Right.
So they can start a very basic, they can invest on our kits. We provide the software, we provide the curriculum to them.
Okay.
So they can set up their own, business.
Oh.
Yes. So it will be helping in their apartments and all. They can do the business.
Okay, that's really nice. So can you just show me around your kits?
Yeah, you can have a look at it. Whatever I was telling you, we have all the products from Basic Electronics. These are the electronics one, easy connectable one, plug and play.
Okay.
So we have a curriculum designed for all set of products. Then we have the higher level electronics. So this where we introduce a little bit core concepts of the electronics. Then we introduce them to the starter kit of the robotics. This is called as a RoboKey. Yeah. And then we have give that. So then we have our play computer, so which comes with 5 different coding platforms in it. So starting from visual programming to the C and Python advanced level of programming.
Right.
Yeah.
So what age group is this?
See, we recommend this kit from 8+ years, that is 4th grade to till 8th grade they can use this one. And whatever you saw here, they are from the 5+ years onwards. Yes. Then we have bigger one, you can cover this as well.
Right. So guys, you can connect with them for your own learning, or schools can even connect with them for opening such things in your lab. And what can I just play on this thing?
Yeah,
I
sure.
want to see how it works. So this is a humanoid, and how will you order it to dance?
Yes, we can program it.
Okay.
Whatever they will be learning the coding nowadays. So for the practical demonstration, yes, they can program it using our visual codings or the script-based languages C and Python. They can program it there for one songs, whichever Instagram trendy reels are there, everything. Yeah, they can program it.
Wow. So this is very nice. And what about the things? What is that? Just look at this.
Yeah.
Okay, what about those things?
So this is our 3D printer. Now we have introduced them all the basic things. Then we
Okay,
say them
3D
now print your own model. They can print
Oh.
their own model. They can automate it. They can make it
Okay.
into a mobile format using our.
What is this made of?
This is filament actually, PLA we say.
Okay.
So yes, you can connect it with the laptop. You can
Okay.
do your designing. Then you can connect it here. This is called as a PLA actually, biodegradable filament.
Okay.
They can connect it. They can print the models.
Okay, so this is what turned into this.
Yeah.
Oh, great. So you can print your own models here. जैसे डायनासोर बनाया हुआ है and it's looking very nice. So बच्चों के लिए तो बहुत अच्छी learning है. Great. And what will be the cost if you can just not tell me about some one cost? What's the
We
range of your
have
prices?
product ranging from 2,000 to till 60,000-70,000
Okay,
ranges.
okay.
So it's based on age group, what age group they are looking for,
And
if
the
it is-
products.
yes, products what they are looking.
Right. Fine. And this, can we play
So
this?
yes, this you can actually. Yeah, I'll place it here.
Okay. What does it do?
So we have to connect it with our software.
Okay. So play.
So yeah, it can say hi for you.
Oh, hi.
So you can
Saying hi to me.
you can make it.
Walk.
Yes.
Okay, so this is walking.
This is attack mode. If two humanoids are there or something, it goes front.
Okay.
So these are already pre-programmed. You can
Right.
program it for the more things, and you can work for them.
Wow, this looks great. So products are very nice, and if What's the price of this?
So this somewhere you will be getting it around 60 to 70k.
Okay, yeah, right.
This is a programmable.
Very nice products. And this humanoid would cost
Somewhere around 55.
55. So very nice products. You do connect with them. And can I have your details, your card?
Yeah.
Do connect with them here. So this says we cook up kick-ass robots and STEM products. Very nice. You can connect with them at 9108494203 or partner at udorobotics.com. Very nice and very innovative products. So अब हम खड़े हैं Abacus Master के सामने and this is they deal in Abacus, teaching Abacus to students from the age group of
5 to 12.
So let's learn more about this from her. So hello.
Hello.
Yeah.
Yeah, so Abacus Master is a learning platform, and we have various ways where students can learn. Either they can connect with us directly online, or they can connect through us with the schools or from the franchisees.
Okay.
So we provide students with the Abacus kit, which consists of a Abacus, the book of that level, and we provide them our online platform.
Okay.
So our online platform provides a gamified way to teach Abacus to the kids.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
So, like, how can students connect with you to learn this online?
So students can go to our website,
Okay.
abacusmaster.com.
So there'll be a live one-on-one session.
Yeah, we will also provide them with the demo class.
Okay.
If they like the demo class and they want to move forward with it, then we will have one classes.
Okay. So what are the charges here?
So for online classes, it is around 3,500 rupees for 8 sessions.
Okay, and that will be done in a month.
Yeah, 1 month.
Oh, 1 month.
We
And what-
prefer 2 sessions per week.
per week.
Yeah.
Right. And what about the school and other franchisees?
So for school module, we cover 2 levels in one annual year, because we have more students to deal with, and the classes are also quite less when we are catering to schools. So the learning process is a bit slow, and we cannot give that much attention to the kids.
Every child.
Yeah, every child. So that's why the learning method is a little slow
Okay.
for the kids.
But still, how much is the money? The money involved is only with school. Then you don't
Yeah,
directly deal
that
with
is
the students. right?
that is what we will discuss
Okay.
with school.
And I mean, what's different here? How can students, gain from learning Abacus?
So our unique point is that we have a learning platform where students can access infinite numbers of worksheets. They can have different kinds of games. We have Anzan videos where a mathematical problem will be given to them and they will have to solve it in real time. So it is like that, students can get that continuous support through our websites even outside the classes.
Right.
Yeah.
Okay. And what at the end of the course, what all do they gain?
So the aim is that they will be able to do big mental calculations. For example, multiplying 4-digit numbers together, all by
Their
themselves. Yeah.
Wow.
So that's what Abacus is for. That they will become kind of human calculators.
Wow, that
Yeah.
is great. Okay, so how can our students or the schools connect with you?
So they can go on our website and they can log in and register for demo classes.
Okay.
Yeah. And if anybody is interested in franchisee models or school models, they can also connect over online.
All right, fine. So guys, do connect with them. This is all about Abacus learning, and this for small kids also, and the age group is 5 to 12.
12.
So 5 to 12 years, and for schools and other franchisees too. So this is the brochure that they have, that this program enhances brain development, cognitive skills, arithmetic ability and attention span, which is actually very less in the kids these days. And you can connect with them at the number 953 999 5589 or email them at support@abacusmaster.com. So do connect with them for all your mathematical learning. So now we are standing at Shiv Dayal Sood and Sons, and this brand is Super Tech, and they deal in all the products, the equipment related to science for schools and classrooms and labs. So let's learn more about them. Hello.
Yes.
Yeah. So please tell us more about.
So we are manufacturers, as you told, we are manufacturers of the scientific equipments, basically the physics, chemistry and the biological equipments. And we have also working on the benchtop products So our company is like working from 1943 before the partition.
Okay.
So there is a complete range of the biological products like the human torso models,
Okay.
the
Great.
hard science equipments we have, microscopes.
Wow. Just look at this. Microscopes, and similarly you'll have models for all other.
Yes, yes, yes.
We have variety in microscopes. So, like this is trinocular, we have binocular and digital microscope,
Okay.
student microscope.
Uh-huh.
So, other than microscope, in all these different kind of products, we have variety of products. Like depends upon the curriculum. We
You develop things,
So-
equipment based on
Yes.
the curriculum.
So
Yeah.
basically, we have specifically dedicated kits, which is specifically for the 6th, 7th, and 8th grade. So basically, these are the curriculum kits, like the CBSE based kits or NAP based kits. So the students can perform on their own.
Okay.
So nowadays, like if you can see that parents are spending the money on the like the PS stations and all that, but they are not ready to spend the money on the like these educational kits.
Right.
So we are focusing on that. We are approaching the parents so that they must teach their students so that they are able to understand the basic concept of the physics, chemistry, and biological with that kids.
Okay. And usually your clients must be schools.
Yes, our client is our schools.
colleges, and
Universities.
training institutes.
Okay. Training
like teaching institutes,
Yes.
like जो ट्यूशन सेंटर्स होते हैं
हाँ.
वो भी हमसे प्रोडक्ट्स लेते
हाँ
हैं
जी.
फॉर एक्सप्लेनिंग द
Concepts to the students, yes.
in detail to the
In
Because,
detail to their students.
Nowadays, coaching centers has been setting up some labs, small labs to teach their students, and we have been also in export for the past 40 years,
Okay.
and we have like potential customers
Right,
outside
abroad
India.
also.
Yes, we have a range of benchtop equipments also, so you can find that on our website, shifsons.com.
Okay. That's
So this is
shivsons.com.
shifsons.com. This-
Shiftions.com, supertechedu.com,
Yes.
and third one is supertechglassware.com.
Okay.
So we have a range of, we have categorized our products. Like for education, customer can visit supertechedu.com. For labware, glassware, specialized in glassware, one can visit supertechglassware.com.
So also in our department we have a dedicated R&D team, purchase team, and accounts department also. So if I must say, if one needs some kind of like scientific equipments, so Supertech is the one-stop solution for that equipment.
Very
Yes,
good.
yes,
So can you just show us your products?
yes,
now?
yes.
Yeah.
So basically I can show you this product. So this one is the illuminated orbiter model.
Okay.
So this is basically to teach the students that how the Earth revolves around the Sun, and how the Moon is revolving around the Earth.
Okay.
So when the Earth takes one complete rotation around the Sun, how this Moon is will take 28 to 20.5 days to complete the one revolution of the Earth. So basically this is the illuminated orbiter model.
Yeah.
We have the Sun, we have a light source here. So it illuminates and the light gets reflect on the earth part. So basically if you find that the moon is in between that earth and its eclipse, so it's also helpful to understand the seasons, that how the seasons are changing, that how earth is tilted towards the sun, and where is the night and where is the day. So I think this is the basic concepts which will help the students.
It's very good for class 6, 7.
Yes,
8,
yes, yes,
right?
yes. And here we have the optics kit, where you can find the different lenses. You can say that prisms with the different shapes, like the concave shape.
Right.
So if you just keep it on, here we have a like laser ray box,
Right,
which
right.
can be adjusted to 3 beams, a single beam, and 5 parallel beams.
Okay.
So you can just see that how the concave lens is working, how the light is diverging if the beam of parallel rays is like reflecting on it.
Right,
So if you change like the
And if the light
this
objects.
is, yes,
light
yes, this is the convergent lens.
Right.
So here we have also the mirror.
Okay.
You can use it as a simple plain mirror. If you want to use it as a concave mirror,
Right.
just simply bend this and it will
Okay.
take a shape of the concave and convex.
Convex, right.
So the basic concepts to understand the students, like how the physics.
It works.
So yes,
Very true. Okay, and then this is the systems
this
of
is
the.
yeah. This is a human torso model,
Okay.
and here we have the kits for the kids from the age 8 to 10.
Okay.
This kit names as Plant World Experimenter Plant World.
Okay.
So basically, this kit tells about the how the plant will grow.
All right.
So
So these are the actual seeds and the
yes,
soil
yes,
and
you
everything.
can find the soil given in this. We have the seedling trays.
Okay.
This is given to just to help to grow the plants.
Right,
We have the
right.
fenugreek seeds, methi dana,
Right.
cocoa peat, and sand.
Right.
Beakers are given for just
Okay.
filling it up with the. So
This is really very informative, very learning
Yes.
kit. True. And what's the cost, if I may know?
I mean, it is cost effective. Like it is like in the today's competitive market, we are trying to education to the people, even like but because mostly most of the people are interested in the education, but they are not able to get the education because
Because they can't
sometimes
afford
due
it.
to sometimes due to money and sometimes other. I think
Right.
so I think so. This is very cost-effective kit, which will help the students to understand the basic concepts of the physics and biology and the chemistry.
Right.
So we have different kits in that. Like this is Plant World. We have the kit which is related to the optics
Optics, right.
and electricity and microbiology.
Right. No, so I just want to know if an idea,
It will
just
cost,
the range.
I think the range it will be around about 1,000 to
2,000, right.
1,000 to 1,200.
Okay, so all
more
the
than
products that you have will range from 1,000 or
It depends upon the category because we have different products because these are the products which are from the higher science.
right.
So actually, we are not supposed to actually.
Okay. Fine.
Yes.
That is okay. That is why I just wanted to know the range. I mean, they start from
Yes.
say 1,000 and go up till 15,000,
yes,
20,000.
Madam, there is actually we have 3,000 different kind of apparatus.
Okay.
So depends on the working, we have different prices for that.
Right. I got that. Really nice. So they really have some good apparatus and equipment for some science students. Do get in touch with them for your purchases. And can I have your details, the contact details?
Visit supertechedu.com, Sahil Bharadwaj, and he's just Karan.
And can you share your number?
Yeah. 9896 333 488.
So ये एक्सपो काफ़ी बड़ा लगा हुआ है and there are many people out here जो इस education industry से related है. They are here to see the products, to learn more about the services, and there are many opportunities जहाँ पे आप अपना business start कर सकते हो, जहाँ पे आप अपनी already जो established schools है, K-12 schools है और coaching institutes है, आप उसमें बहुत कुछ add कर सकते हो to make to give more to your students. So do visit this exhibition और हमारे साथ भी connect करिए जो हमने details share करिए. चलिए और देखते हैं. So this is Kriya Learning and here I see quite many things related to STEM learning. So this is a Hyderabad-based company. Let's learn more about it from Miss
Padmaja.
So yeah, what?
Yeah, Kriya Learning is a 13-year-old company.
Okay.
We focus on setting up STEM labs and maker spaces in schools.
In school.
Majorly in schools.
Okay.
So what do we do is we create an entire ecosystem. A room is set up
Right.
where all the equipment like robotics, IoT, 3D design, drones, data box, engineering, bricks from KG to grade 12.
Right.
Children come to this space 2 consecutive periods every week.
Right.
To go through the curriculum, the focus is not to make them robotic experts or IoT experts because in school level, nobody knows what they want to do
Right.
when they grow up.
Right.
The focus is we want them to develop skill sets like problem solving, creativity, innovation, critical thinking, collaboration, teamwork.
Right.
Irrespective of whatever career choices they're going to make in life, these skill sets are very important and they play a major role.
Right.
So we use these tools and technologies as a means to develop 21st century skills.
Oh,
so
great.
that's the program
And
images.
it exposes them also to
Correct.
the STEM
correct,
learnings.
Correct. Correct.
Right.
Whereas in real world, if you have to solve a problem, you have to take the knowledge of science, technology, engineering, math, language arts,
Right.
everything. Put it together, only you'll be able to solve problems. Otherwise, it's not possible to
Very
solve.
true,
So
very true.
that's how STEM comes into place. Yeah,
Right.
yeah.
So what are the products here that we see?
So generally, you know what, in schools, every 8 weeks, children go through one module. Like for example, they've taken up robotics. In these 8 weeks, they will first understand the various components of robotics in a boot camp.
Okay.
Then that is week 1. Week 2 and week 3, we give them step-by-step guided projects which will make them comfortable with the tool. And they will know how to use the tool in a structured manner.
Okay.
Then week 4 and 5, we give them a problem statement
Okay.
where they will be applying design thinking.
Right.
So the whole process of design thinking will help them to understand the process from ideation to prototyping.
Right.
So every 8 weeks the tool keeps changing.
Right.
So they are exposed to multiple tools. The process remains same. So by the time, you know, if they're going through this process for more than 3, 4 years or 5 years, put them in any kind of problem statements, they will start applying design thinking as a
Right.
means to
Right.
solve problems, and
develop
it
that
becomes their
analytical
DNA.
thinking.
Yeah.
Right.
So that's what we aim to make children more critical thinkers, problem solvers, creative, innovative thinkers
Right.
over a period of time. Yeah.
Very
yeah.
right. Very right. And that's very important also.
Correct.
So how do they work and what? Can you just show us around some?
Yeah. So this is, you've all seen sewing machines, right? So what actually is the mechanism behind the sewing machine? We've not seen that.
Right.
So this is a sewing machine where when you start rotating this,
Yes.
it will start
Right.
sewing. If you put in a cloth or
Right.
something, so you can see the needles and all of that.
Okay.
So yeah. So this is an automated IoT smart city where, like for example, garbage collection and all of that can be automated. So this is a system where garbage collection is automated in this.
Right.
So they have like IoT sensors are there. If the bin is filled, this doesn't open.
Okay.
So and you can connect it to an app. If the bin is filled, you know, you can send messages to the municipality asking them to come and collect it.
Right.
So a lot of automation can be done with sensors and all of that. Yeah.
Right. So students learn to make them from scratch.
Yes. Like I said, you know, when they're doing projects, they understand the various tools and how to
Right,
use them.
right.
When we throw up a problem statement, they have to build it from
Build
scratch.
it from scratch.
Children work in groups of 3.
True.
So 3 different minds put together.
Right.
They
But
come
they
up
do
with-
develop
yeah,
something
right,
new.
Right.
Right.
So this is a fun project based on Kalki Chitti the Robo. So
Okay.
we just did a fun project. My team has done this.
All right. What is
It's
this?
an archery machine. It's an automated
All
archery machine. So
This is a spider type.
this is a spider thing. So when we use a tab,
Yeah.
it just starts crawling. all
Crawling,
over, yeah.
okay.
So this is spirograph.
Okay.
So you can actually
Oh.
create a pattern.
Right.
You remember when we were small kids, you know, we had those spiral things when
Yes.
we used to rotate.
Yes,
So this
yes.
is a more automated, mechanized version.
And we
of
use
it.
that while making cakes
Correct,
also.
correct. So, yeah.
Right. So their number is 9355510567 and their email is info@crealearning.com. So do connect with them for such amazing things. So now we are at Sun Baby Furniture और यहाँ पे बहुत सुंदर सुंदर furniture दिख रहे हैं. Let's learn more about it. So hi.
Hi.
What is Sun Baby all about? नाम भी बहुत अच्छा है. Very
Right.
different.
So we're basically a 23-year-old company,
Okay.
and initially we were in baby products,
Right.
and we were supplying to a lot of schools, preschools. ये हमारे patented products हैं, chairs हैं,
Right.
बच्चों की प्री स्कूल में ये फर्नीचर वगैरह सारा जाता है.
Right, benches.
So from there we expanded to school furniture
अच्छा, the K-12.
to K-12, yes. So school furniture में हमने लेटेस्ट मॉडर्न जो आजकल ये इस फर्नीचर बनाए हैं.
अच्छा, वो
ये.
benches.
ड्यूल सीटर है
Okay.
और हमने फर्नीचर सारा अपना बनाया है.
अच्छा.
We are manufacturers
Okay.
and we are supplying all across India.
Okay. So how many schools are associated with you
We supply to more than 200 plus schools
across India?
across India, and maybe for about maybe 6 lakh students को हमने seating arrangement दे दिया
दे
होगा.
दिया, right, right. So this is, where are you based? Where is the company based?
Based in Gurgaon.
Okay, and you
And-
supply pan India?
Yeah, and we have started with these. We are importing these smart boards also. These are the latest thing which are there.
Okay.
तो ये स्मार्ट बोर्ड पे आप टीचर्स उसको हैंड रिटन पढ़ा सकते हैं.
अच्छा.
और जो भी नोट्स हैं वो शेयर कर सकते हैं.
Okay, okay. यहीं पे ऑनलाइन दिखा के बच्चों
Online-
के साथ.
नहीं, जो आजकल ब्लैक बोर्ड हट के चेंज हो गया है, दिस इज द नेक्स्ट लेवल ऑफ टीचिंग.
Okay.
तो आपने सारा यहाँ पढ़ा सकते हैं. उसी को इंस्टेंट सर्च में भी ले जा सकते हैं.
अच्छा.
गूगल पे AI बेस्ड भी है इसके अंदर.
Okay.
तो काफी इंटरेक्टिव पैनल है, इसको
Right.
इंटरेक्टिव पैनल कहते हैं. और आपने जो भी नोट्स बनाए हैं उसका QR कोड बन जाता है, वो स्टूडेंट को शेयर कर दो.
Right.
तो स्टूडेंट को जरूरी नहीं है कि अपना वो बैठ
नोट्स
के
बनाने हैं
नोट्स
साथ
बनाने
साथ.
हैं.
Right. तो यही साथ साथ टीचर्स भेज
So we are
देंगे
kind of
उनको.
giving a complete 360-degree solution for smart classrooms.
Right, right.
So that vision is कि भी हम अपने जो एजुकेशन है सिस्टम है उसके साथ में हम बच्चों को कंफर्टेबल सिटिंग और बिल्कुल लेटेस्ट टेक्नोलॉजी से बच्चों को पढ़ाया जाए.
Right, right.
फॉर अ ब्राइटर फ्यूचर ऑफ बोथ द कंट्री एंड द किड्स.
Very true, very true. तो आपके साथ ज्यादा तो प्री स्कूल्स एसोसिएट होंगे अभी.
We started with preschool, but now we are associated with a lot of schools also.
अच्छा, the K-12 schools also. Okay. And what is the price range of your furniture? Just give me a range maybe.
रेंज तो क्या 200 रुपए की कुर्सी से लेके 5-10 हज़ार रुपए की कुर्सी भी है.
Okay, okay. Great. So apart from these benches and tables and chairs, उसके अलावा क्या क्या है आपके पास?
मेजरली यही है. ऑन दे आर ऑल कस्टमाइज्ड
अच्छा.
because every school and a classroom has a different requirement.
Right.
So we customize them with the color of
Okay.
their choice,
All right,
the
all right.
height as per the students, because comfortably वो तभी बैठ सकते हैं जब उसकी हाइट के हिसाब से कस्टमाइज होकर मिलेगा.
बिल्कुल.
और फिर उसके हिसाब से उनके डिफरेंट रिक्वायरमेंट, जैसे बैग्स नीचे रखने के लिए उस चेयर में आप देखेंगे नीचे बैग्स रख सकते हैं आराम से,
हाँ.
कि बैग नीचे नहीं पड़ा होना चाहिए. तो
Very
थिंक लाइक दैट. तो सब कस्टमाइज्ड है,
Right.
कलर से लेके
तो
एवरीथिंग.
ये आपका मैन्युफैक्चरिंग यूनिट भी गुड़गांव में ही है.
गुड़गांव में.
ओके, वेरी नाइस. तो आप अपनी डिटेल शेयर कर दीजिए.
मेरा नंबर 9811080558 है.
Okay, fine. So do connect with Mr. Sunil Agarwal for such beautiful furniture. इनके पास सब कुछ आपको मिल जाएगा, from benches, chairs, tables and these
स्मार्ट बोर्ड.
smart boxes. बहुत सुंदर सुंदर चीजें हैं. And you can get them customized also. So now we are standing at Toy Park Delhi Private Limited और यहाँ पे बहुत सुंदर play school things दिख रही हैं. जैसे I can see some sand pit and अलग-अलग चीजें, some blocks and some
Book stand.
book stands. Okay, these are book stands, tables, chairs, blocks, dice and बहुत कुछ और. So let's learn more about it. This is all related to play school things. Hello.
Hello.
ये क्या क्या है आपके पास? ये बहुत सुंदर चीजें दिख रही हैं.
So we are basically we design play areas
Okay.
for play schools, resorts.
Right.
Like we have playing equipment for 0 to 99 years.
Okay.
So we design play areas for different. So this being an education fair, we have kept only the things for
Play school.
Play schools.
Right. So what all things are here?
We are into furniture, flooring, playing equipments, teaching aids,
Okay.
education toys.
All
For
right.
play school, we are one stop.
Okay. Great. और कौन-कौन से schools हैं आपके साथ associated?
We have a dealer distribution like school suppliers associated with us.
हाँ.
So काफी सारे schools ऐसे भी होंगे, मुझे पता ही नहीं होगा हमारा सामान जा रहा है.
Okay.
बाकी खुद हम हमारी direct schools की टीम है. We are also quite active and associated with many chain of schools like Springdale chain के सारे schools में हमारा जाता है. फिर जीडी गोइंका का एक किंग्स ऑफ किंगडम करके है, तो ऐसे काफी टाइप्स हैं, उधर भी जाता है।
सो आप डीलर्स को ही डायरेक्टली देते हो या स्कूल्स
मेजरली हमारा जो मेन स्ट्रेंथ है डीलर नेटवर्क है, जो आगे स्कूल्स में सप्लाई
जो
करते हैं।
आगे स्कूल्स में
स्कूल डायरेक्ट स्कूल्स टू टीम ऑब्वियसली एक लिमिटेड हम स्कूल्स जितने कर पाते हैं ईयरली बेसिस पे वो करते हैं।
राइट। तो अगर मैं लेना चाहूँ आपसे डायरेक्टली एक
हाँ,
पीस,
सो वी आर आल्सो अवेलेबल ऑन ऑनलाइन ऑन पोर्टल्स। जो हमारे रिटेल ओरिएंटेड प्रोडक्ट्स हैं वो हमारे अच्छे रिटेल स्टोर्स में भी आपको मिलेंगे।
अच्छा,
जो हर सिटी के अच्छे रिटेल स्टोर्स हैं, वहाँ पर भी टॉय पार्क के जो कुछ ऐसी एसक्यूज हैं, टोटल हमारे 450-500 प्रोडक्ट्स हैं जो स्कूल्स के, उसमें से 50-60 प्रोडक्ट्स ऐसे हैं जो रिटेल स्टोर्स में भी हमारे पाए जाएंगे आप।
जाएंगे। ओके, ग्रेट। तो कुछ दिखाएंगे अपनी चीजें?
This is social play school furniture. Basically, in one, 5 to 6 children sit and share things.
Right.
And
then those are blocks for learning.
So these are 3 in 1. This is a stool.
Yeah.
So
Alphabets.
this is can be used as storage.
All right.
Then also be used as a flooring.
Okay. Wow.
So this is 3 in 1. ऐसे flooring भी बन जाएगी।
Flooring भी पूरी बन जाएगी।
So this is EPP material.
Okay.
So we basically we are pioneer importers of toy in India.
Okay.
So international जितने भी नए concepts होते हैं playing equipments में we have it with
Okay.
us.
So this is all imported.
Majorly many of the things are imported and many are toy is now can't be imported. So now we have started developing tie-ups with many toy manufacturers and developing things here.
All right.
This is wall toys, these activity-based wall toys, like sensory toys,
Right.
So toys we are now developing here.
Okay.
Like easel board. This is a 4-sided easel board.
Okay.
2-side white, 2-side black.
Black. Great.
Sensory tables.
Right. And what is this? This is for sand.
These are sensory tables.
Okay.
So like this is a sand table,
Right.
and this is 3 in 1. Block table,
Okay.
sand table,
Okay.
and when we tilt it, normal table.
Acha, the normal table is also there.
3 in 1 with 2 chairs
Great.
with
This
100
is-
kgs weight capacity.
Wow. And then this is
These
again.
these are spring riders. These are placed in outdoors.
Yes.
So this is to channelize a kid's energy.
Right.
Like kids nowadays are very energetic. So the child sits and then
Then they push themselves here.
push, so they get tired. So they don't waste your energy.
Very
So that
true.
their energy is channelized.
True. Very true. And then these are for
Yeah,
playing.
these are for activity based. They're balancing bridge. So
Right.
hand-eye coordination and motor skills.
Very true. Right. And then this is the caterpillar that's
Yeah,
there
yeah.
in schools also.
Yeah.
Right. So they really have some nice interactive stuff, the equipment to use, and you can connect with them for purchasing such if you have a preschool or you plan to start your own business.
Even we design play areas for domestic use also. Like in lockdowns, we have done so many play areas for residential purpose play areas.
Right.
So that also we do.
So can you just share your details so that
So we have a corporate office in Karol Bagh,
Okay.
and you can connect to us on through website www.toypark.co.in, or you can contact us on our number 9811117654.
So now we are standing at KidCan Edu Solutions और यहाँ पे बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं for Montessori school, Montessori learning, and let's learn more about them. This is a Bangalore based company. So hello.
हेलो
So ये क्या क्या है इधर आपके पास?
एक्चुअली हमारे पास मॉन्टेसरी मेथड में जो भी टीचिंग एड्स है मैम,
Right.
वी मैन्युफैक्चर द एंटायर रेंज ऑफ मटेरियल्स,
Okay.
स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम टॉडलर मॉन्टेसरी, प्री प्राइमरी, प्राइमरी, starting from 1.5 years till 9 years.
Wow.
We have a systematic way of teaching mathematics, sensorial, language, sciences,
Right.
all that we have the apparatus.
Okay. So can you just show us some things here? That
Yeah, like this is a new material which we have developed.
Okay.
This is in a Ludo format.
Right.
Okay, the child how they play the Ludo same way, but
Right.
here they will be learning the adverbs.
Okay.
Like this is where, so whichever words teachers like above, below, out, away, all those words which answers the question where will be there here. So when the
Okay.
child plays the game, he will learn the adverbs of where.
Where, right?
Yeah,
above.
same way when how often, how all this will be given in this format.
Okay, so,
So
it can be how quickly, how silently,
silently,
slowly,
yeah. So like this beautifully adverbs will be taught. Otherwise the child don't know what is adverb.
Yes, yes.
So with this game adverbs concept will be very clear to them.
Right,
And this is a famous snake and ladders game.
right.
But to teach the opposite.
Okay, this is to learn
Yeah,
opposites.
like this dice will be given and
Yeah.
when the child is playing they have to read.
Right. So, oops,
So
so,
it-
this is front, back, wet,
Yeah.
dry, wide,
Yes.
narrow, great.
Yeah,
great.
so like this interesting way we teach the
this
language.
is fun learning.
Yeah.
True.
Same
Okay.
way we have this button frames.
Okay.
Like whatever in dresses we get like button, coat button, zip, all
Right.
that will be given to a child.
Okay.
So once the child starts coming to the school at around 2 years, first these materials will be given
Okay.
so that the child can dress for himself in the house and come, not parents should dress him.
Oh, this is nice.
Yeah.
But then, how a 2-year-old can a two and a half year old
ma'am.
dress
yes,
for himself?
yes, yes.
Really?
And the confidence he gets by doing this is
Tremendous. Very true.
Otherwise, every time he has to depend on parents.
Right.
Till they make him ready, he cannot get ready.
Yes, yes.
So this is a practical method what we teach them.
Wow, this is great. Okay.
Like this, we have even
Shoelaces, tying
yeah,
the
buckles. Yeah, for buckling his school bags.
Yeah.
So like this, all systematic way, ma'am. And this is
Okay.
timeline calendar, which says the dates of the months,
Right.
days of the week, months in a year,
Right.
and the seasons, clock.
The clock, right?
Yeah, and how is the climate today? So
Okay.
it's like a first activity when a child comes to a school.
Right.
The first
He has to
activity
say
they
this.
will do.
Oh.
So each time one child will do, so they know everything about the time
Right.
concept.
Right. Right. Great.
Yeah, this is a beautiful maths material, madam,
Uh-huh.
used for introducing the zero.
Okay.
So here 0 to 9 is printed and
Okay.
that many spindles the child has to put.
Okay.
So when he is putting, he will ask why we are not putting anything.
Anything here?
Yeah, then we say this is zero. Zero means nothing.
Nothing.
So this material is being introduced just to give zero concept to a child.
Okay.
Because in maths, if the child learns the zero concept and the numbers, he can do anything.
Right.
Whole number system is 1 to 9 and 0.
Zero. Right.
So the basics we give in a very solid way so that he can go on building any numbers.
Wow. This is great.
Yeah.
Okay. And then.
And this is called mobile alphabets.
Okay.
But before we give this, this is pink color represents consonants
Okay.
and
Blue or
blue is vowels. So before we give this sandpaper tracing.
Okay.
Okay, so the child has to trace how we write.
B.
So when we give him tracing, we give the sound.
Okay.
B. We don't give the alphabets. We
Okay.
give the phonetics.
Phonetics.
Yeah.
Right.
So when the child is doing like this, you just touch this. Ma'am.
Yes.
It is rough.
Yes.
And children's fingers will be very tender.
Yeah.
And when they do this tracing, this impression through their muscular memory goes and stays in their small brain.
Okay.
Whenever you say B, automatically their hand writes like this.
All right.
So once
this can be introduced at 2.5 years.
Yes.
Okay.
This is the basic first material using which we give the phonetics.
Okay.
Once the child learns few phonetics, then we give directly word building. We don't give all the sounds.
All right.
Just few sounds like B we have given. So he has to take that. Suppose bat I have given.
Yeah.
B first sound. A. He will take this and then T.
Sure.
Like this, whatever we have given sounds, immediately we can start with word building.
All right.
Yeah, the
This
child
is
has
great.
need not have to wait. So if a child is doing fast, we will give more words.
Right.
So he will go on building. Like this, this is for language. This is for geography.
Geography.
This is world map. We have like India map, then Asia, all the continents.
Okay.
Then in India, different states.
States.
So with that, the child can learn everything. First it will be a puzzle.
Yeah.
Later on, here we would have given with names. So
Okay.
the child will keep
No,
and
this
they will
is
know the names also.
Africa.
Like this, in a very systematic way, we give one lesson.
Right.
So first this, then next this,
Right.
like this. And this building blocks, the child can create anything.
Anything. Right.
Their thought process is the limits for this.
Very nice.
Yeah.
So, what about the prices of your products here?
Prices, ma'am, you just see the quality.
I
This
am
is
saying
international
everything is
quality.
very nice, yeah.
And we are doing this from last 18 years. The first customer who have purchased this, till now they are using.
Right.
So whatever price they have paid at this 18 years, divide by number of children, so it just turns in paisas.
Negligible. True,
Yeah.
true. I just wanted to know so that our audience knows.
Yeah, it's a very reasonable, ma'am. Like language kit, it starts from 15,000.
Okay.
Language kit. So like that, for different grades, we have different kits.
Okay. So the range would start from around 10K
10, 15, or they want whole setup, they can start with 50,000.
Okay.
And as the child learns all the concept, then go on adding one concept.
Right.
Yeah.
Right. Oh, great. So usually who takes these products from you? Schools?
Yeah, schools, especially Montessori schools, play schools, and
Right.
the big schools who are having nursery sections.
Okay.
They use this because this is very solid foundation.
Right.
Once they
right.
teach in this, it becomes easy for them to teach for higher classes.
Higher classes. Very right. Very right. So they really have some good collection. If you can just glance around the entire stall, you'll find beautiful things, and it's very good for learning kids at a very early age. So do connect with them at your details, please.
Yeah, we are from Kitken Edu Solutions. We are based out of Bangalore. You can reach to us. Our website is www.kitkenmontessori.com. There we have listed all these materials, for which concept each material is used. In detail, we have given the explanation. Anybody who wants to purchase, they can go through the list and they can select and they can send us online orders. We are supplying all over the India and even out of India also.
So you will have your number there on the
Yeah,
website.
in our website it is there.
Right. So do connect with them at the numbers shared there, and let us know how you found it. So we are here at Stock Paper Scissors, and the name is actually taking us to a different game, that's Stone Paper Scissors. But what is Stock Paper Scissors all about? Let's know it from.
Yeah, so the idea came, the name actually originated from rock,
game,
paper, scissors.
right.
It's a very catchy name, easy for everybody to remember.
Right.
So the idea here is to do a complete solution for a school. So we ideally are like an Amazon for a school.
Okay.
So whether a school needs a customized solution for their bags, for the uniform, the books, the stationery, notebooks, shoes, socks, whatever a child could need for a school.
Right.
We provide those solutions to a school as a school part.
Okay.
For a parent, of course, it becomes easier. They don't need to come stand in queues because they go to the school, they do the sizing there. The books are already prescribed, it's available.
Right.
They order and we get it home delivered to the parents.
Okay,
So
okay.
across the country, we can do a home delivery.
All right.
And third, for a school, as the management part, the school management, they come up with requirements like, oh, it's Teachers' Day, we forgot a gift.
Yeah.
So we do gifting solutions for them. So whether
Okay.
it's for the Teachers' Day, whether it's Diwali, a Children's Day gift, we customize admission kits for school, age-appropriate games and things
Okay,
added to
okay.
it. So that's the whole concept.
Okay.
So we take away the heartaches, three sides. One, from the management side, no need to maintain inventory, no investment into inventory, all that we take care of.
Right.
For the parents, they save a lot of time. Beginning of the year, 4 or 5 trips to the school trying to get the child's uniform sorted
Yes,
out and
yes.
books sorted out, shoes. And third, for the child, customized stuff, exciting things. All of a sudden, you get one nicely wrapped box at home. Gift wrapped. Excitement is different rather than going to school having to pick up books and stuff.
Right.
So that's what we do.
Okay. So do you even go to school to manage the games and other things?
No, we don't
No,
do games. We
it-
don't play
it's
games
not-
with the kids. No, no.
Acha, it's not like that. It's just about the inventory that you're talking
It is,
about.
yes, it's the complete inventory solution that we have for the schools.
Okay.
And
So you can customize it accordingly, the way
yes,
school
yes.
wants.
So see, ideally, a lot of schools say my current uniform is my identity, so we don't want to change it. So we improvise with the same this thing, better
Okay.
fabrics, better quality. Do it. There are schools that say, okay, 5 years we've been using the same thing. I don't want to change my color theme, but give me a different pattern.
Okay.
So we create uniforms for
Okay,
them.
okay. You design and give these
Yes,
solutions
so we
also.
get back with designs. Once they approve a design, we do the prototypes and
All
stuff
right.
like that. So
oh, that's nice.
that's
so how many clients, like how many schools are associated with
right now we are more Maharashtra based. We deal with a lot of schools, Bombay, Pune. We are now expanding into Ahmedabad. The school that we deal with is opening an Ahmedabad branch. So now that we are going there, Ahmedabad is the next market.
Okay.
Idea of coming here was because it's a completely online solution.
Right.
So we can do supplies anywhere in the country.
True.
Right, one of our clients has now opened a Dubai school, so that would obviously we start doing uniforms for them there.
Yes.
So that will work. So that's the way we are looking at.
That is great. And can you just show us around
Yeah,
books and things?
so see, this is something that we done for a school in Pune,
Okay.
and they needed some notebooks. So one was I could have given them notebooks with the regular brown covers.
Right.
So we decided to do something different.
Okay.
And what we did was we did a photography contest in the school,
Okay.
which the students, the teachers, and the parents could participate in.
Okay.
So once we had all the photographs coming in, we selected the
Selected the
best,
best.
what we thought was good. We put it up on their Instagram. This thing, parents voted, everybody voted for it. So the top 20 photographs that were voted, we made notebooks for them.
Notebooks of
So
them.
with giving credit to either the parent or the child, so they're very happy using the notebooks.
True, true. This is very nice. A very different concept, I must say. A very nice thing. And this actually encourages people to participate.
Yes. So we keep coming up with things like this. The school wanted their annual calendars done. So it's a calendar they give to every child.
Right.
And they gave us a theme, yogic values.
Okay.
So we thought about it. We had photographers go click the children, use their photographs, do the calendar. So there's a lot of customization to that extent that we do.
All right. Great. This is beautiful.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay. And what else is there?
So ideally these are all, so water bottles and all, schools ask for water bottles, lunch boxes.
Right.
So all these can be customized with the school logos.
Okay. Then the bags and these are the badges.
Yes, the badges, the house captain and things
Right.
like this. We need water bottles, gifting.
Right.
And now for some schools we do their
Stationery.
stationery. Of course, we work with various brands.
Uh-huh.
But now we are doing admission kits for schools.
Okay.
So now normally most of the schools, what they do, they charge you money for your admission form. It's normally either an online this thing, or they'll give you one piece of paper and you've paid some 2,500 rupees and you
Right.
walk out feeling absolutely empty-handed.
Right.
So what we came up with, the idea was we spoke to the school and said, when you charge 2,000, a parent will not mind paying 2,500 maybe, but give them a takeaway. So now age appropriate, we've made kits for them. So some goodies go in. So for the child, it's a happy feeling. The first connect is I went to
Yes.
the school, I got a gift.
Yes. True, true.
So these
And
are
then
certain
the
things.
things are delivered to their home.
Yeah, so the admission kits are delivered to the school. Obviously, when the parent comes, makes the payment, it's given there. But otherwise, most of the stationery and everything goes home.
Okay.
So we
Great.
do now. We also have added library books. We have tie-ups with
Acha.
e-libraries.
Okay.
So we work with Amrit Chitra Katha specifically. So they've come up now with a special kit called Tot Box for the pre-primary kids.
Okay.
These are our own cultural stories, but for the pre-primary
for the
kids,
primary. So
told in a
teachers
different
would
manner.
read them out to
Yeah, so
children.
they've given you videos also how to do it. They've given puppets in it. There's a trampoline in it. So it's a
Okay,
whole
okay.
different
Interactive way
very
to-
very interactive thing. So those are things that we're trying to take to schools.
Right,
Make it
right.
a little more fun for the kids and the schools.
Great.
No heartaches.
True,
specifically.
true. And we really hope you come to Delhi very soon with some schools.
Thank you so much.
Fine. It was really nice talking to you.
Same here. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
So this is their contact details. So this is Ms. Shefali Jain, and her number is 7066008500, or you can connect with her at Shefali at stockpaperscissors.co. And they actually have these customized bags and other things for school. So do connect with them for all your purchases. So guys, this was Didac India 2024 Expo. हमने अंदर बहुत कुछ सीखा, हमने इतने सारे स्टॉल्स कवर करे और सबकी कॉन्टैक्ट डिटेल्स आपके साथ शेयर करी. फ्रॉम फर्नीचर यूज्ड इन प्री प्राइमरी, प्री स्कूल, किंडरगार्टन स्कूल्स टू मॉन्टेसरी लर्निंग टू ह्यूमनॉइड्स, रोबोटिक्स, बहुत कुछ हमने अंदर देखा. और इक्विपमेंट भी, जैसे स्टेम लर्निंग में इक्विपमेंट भी होता है, बहुत कुछ सीखा. सो इफ़ यू आर इन दिस इंडस्ट्री, डू कनेक्ट विद देम. वी हैव शेयर्ड द डिटेल्स विद यू. और हमें भी बताइए आपको वीडियो कैसे लगी. हमने बहुत दिल से आपके लिए बनाई है. And then we will see you very soon with new content. Share our videos with your friends and family. Subscribe to our channel Jodi on Camera, और हम बहुत जल्दी मिलेंगे. Take care of yourself. Bye bye.